You like that, Vic? Look, I came to your shop when there's actually sun outside. You like that?
Bro, it's going down.
Alright, no game, we're back yet again at Vic's shop doing the same thing as always, with transmissions, but this time, I never told you guys what mods I got, but you know, now we're gonna go ahead and upgrade that clutch. I got the Z1 kit, but as you guys already know, I have the elimination kit, so the slave is super cheap, super easy to do. So we're gonna get this clutch job done. Thankfully, Vic's gonna help me out, because dude, my car had zero life in the clutch, bro. Like, Vic straight tried my life. He was like, I don't even know how you got here. We're gonna let it cool down, get started. Hopefully I can lend a helping hand so that way Vic can leave at an appropriate time, because I tend to make him stay a little too late. And Cheyenne straight tried my life too. He was like, you're the only guy I know that can ruin a polish job. Well, that's me, Norgang. I ruin bumpers and polish. I'm gonna continue the video on from when we have the car on the lift and getting the transmission down and all that stuff, and hopefully we can knock this out really fast. Jose, say something sexy for the ladies.
That wheel looks good.
Yeah, you had one job. Bro, I just want to know how, fam, how does this happen? Look at this, bro. I got like a plastic bag on my exhaust. How? Yeah, this has been on here for a minute, man. Look at that. All right, so you know, not what I expected. Not what I expected getting under my car, but you know, whatever. It's cool. Finally gonna get started. I don't know about you guys, but every time I always have my car up in a lift, I like to double check it. Let's get started.
Moment of glory.
Yeah, right. Look how lazy I'm being, just chilling in the chair. Vic's doing all the hard work. I said I was gonna help. I didn't. At all. But I'm just really interested to see how bad this clutch is, bro. Yeah, that doesn't look good, bro. Damn, look at this thing, bro. Yeah, you can smell all that burnt clutch, bro. Because it was pretty serious when you were trying to get on the lift. It had almost no life left.
Yeah, no, that clutch is
I told you, I warned you, bro. I was like, yo, you're not getting this on there easy. So I was like, you do it, not me. Because I'm already known for crashing cars in the shop, so. Clutch time. I really want to see how this looks when it's taken off, because I know it's gonna just, if it doesn't break apart, I'll be surprised.
It's missing. You see the dude? It's almost flat.
I had
that's where I was slipping.
I had almost no clutch, dude. It's, oh my god, it's hot as hell, huh?
Yeah.
I'm kidding, bro. That explains why I was slipping so much, but now I won't. So I wonder how crazy it's gonna feel like with the new one. Probably gonna have to get used to driving my own car for a while. And the break-in period is what, 500 miles, right?
500, yeah.
Okay. Damn, what am I supposed to do for 500 miles?
He'd take it off and
Take it soft, take it easy. Can't be a YouTuber taking it easy. Final steps. Let's finally get the new bad boy in there. Oh, and also I got the mid-weight flywheel too, so there should be some gains. So I'm gonna be like 400 horsepower now, right? With my mid-weight flywheel? Maybe 8? Oof. Damn, guys, we're gonna be fast, but damn. Look at this, bro. Look at all this, dude. Oh, you guys can't even see. Let me show you. Look at all the heat, because the scoring and shit like that's really bad too, isn't it?
yeah, the heat marks are the ones that are telling you that it's the wear.
Wow. I've been really lazy about this. Better late than never. What? Don't give me that face. Don't give me that face.
What time is it? 11:40.
What time is it? Carl, this is the second time you saved me on something massive.
You forgot the second time. This is the third.
What was the second?
Third. Shit, I forgot.
Oh, the test pipes.
Yeah, something like that, bro.
Oh, Carl, bring her in. I smell. I'm sorry.
Jesus, hella tall, guys.
Dude, thank you, brother. Yes, finally. So, Norgang, I didn't update you guys. Unfortunately, I needed a new rear main seal, and I didn't have that. I thought I was prepared, but definitely not. Carl drove all the way from Hialeah. Pembroke Pines to
Hialeah, then
just to come all the way to Cutler. Here you go, fam. We're done.
Finally.
I know. And he's
sure this actually works.
And he's getting hangry too, so it's not working out right now.
Yeah.
We're good? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, you like my exhaust? It fell.
Really?
Yeah, literally it fell.
Damn.
Yeah.
What happened?
The hanger is what the nut came off, and that was it, bro. You know how I ride, bro? Everything falling off. You know, whatever.
Because I did the test pipe in the white.
No, yeah. If you guys don't know, there's a running joke about Carl leaving things loose.
Oh. What? I'm gonna put you on blast. You did me dirty in the chat.
What do you? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You can have your.
Because, bro, I try to be that guy. Like, hey, does anyone have a rear main seal? He's like,
Yeah, I got one in my back pocket.
This guy messaged us in the chat like, oh, anybody got a rear main seal? Like as if it's like a casual thing for somebody to have.
You never know.
Yeah, I got one lying around. Like.
Bro, you never know. But look, if I didn't ask, you wouldn't be here right now on time.
That's right. Carl, God,
I'm just clutch. I'm just clutch.
At least I'm not like Cheyenne. God, I appreciate love.
Dude, huge love to Carl. Thank you, bro. Always saving me.
You're welcome.
Vic,
That's what I do.
And Carl always saving me. Now the transmission will go back on. Vic can go home to his family. I always have him going home. Always. I always have him going home like at 4 a.m.
He's hella clutch. Can't even lie about that.
Oh, I see what you did there. He's hella clutch.
You know, this whole time I was running with a missing transmission bolt.
Really?
Yes.
Like, what do you mean, like an actual?
Like, yeah, the bolt missing.
The support, or it's like just one?
No, just one bolt. Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Yeah,
I've heard worse.
Oh God. All right.
All right.
I job.
Oh yeah, because you live too close. But we're gonna finish. Well, I always say we, but he's gonna finish this up. Look,
dude, look how he's moving too. He's like, let's get this in here. Did you lube it up nice and nice? You know, just nice and tight.
Ow! Damn it! I always hit my head on this shit.
Gotta lube it up, man.
Oh, whoa, Carl. Whoa.
This is a.
Hey, this is actually something Martin said to me.
What?
Lube it up before you stick it in.
This is a family channel.
That's Martin. I mean.
All right, we don't talk about anal sex on family channels.
See, they wouldn't even know. They wouldn't even know. Okay.
I'm gonna turn off the camera. We're gonna lube it up together. I'll see you guys in a sec.
I just wanted to stop everybody.
Slow down your process so I can. Look at that brand new clutch. Well, not clutch. Well, pressure plate.
Ooh. Well, no, you gotta turn it the other way. It's red, so that way it shows people I go fast. You already know that. Red means faster.
Michael would be like, "Is that the slave something?"
Mike's gonna be like, "Wait, is that the secret?"
Oh,
Can you get a video of the what is it called? The blinker fluid?
oh, the blinker fluid?
Yeah, blinker fluid.
Dude, the fuck are you talking about? That's my exhaust gasket, bro.
Yo, fuck.
Get it together, Carl. You feel me?
I love saying your name because it reminds me of The Walking Dead. Like when it's like Carl, like that.
There's a funnier one though. What is it? It's like a Carl thing. Phineas and Ferb. It's like a song like Carl. He works the camera, like something like that. It's actually pretty good.
I'm gonna meme the hell out of you right now.
But yeah, so thankfully now Vic's at that point of making me super fast by putting red stuff on my car.
I'm gonna be so fast. Look at that, bro. Watch out. Cheyenne, I'm coming for you, baby. It's in, baby. It's in.
Vic, how hard was it for you to get it in the hole? Look, I'm not gonna lie, I did a terrible job filming, bro. Like, I got what, like 3 clips? But yeah, the McDonald's. Yeah, but that's because of you. I was doing so well on my diet, bro. No, I'm trying to put that evil on you though. So let's review how this clutch actually feels, because Carl actually thinks that this clutch sucks.
Hey, like I said, oh my god, not Cheyenne is about to fuck. Well, I don't have a good experience with it, that's all. Mine burnt out completely and I called Z1 and they gave me a $20 discount.
Oh, must be nice. So I personally want to see how it works. I mean, if it goes, it goes. If it goes, it goes.
Who cares? It doesn't matter when you're rich, bro.
I mean, if it goes ACT 6-buck with a lightweight flywheel, you know, like you're supposed to.
Whatever. Yeah, but I got this at such a stupid good deal, bro. I'll tell you off camera.
I know.
So whatever. Noir gang, let's continue this video another day when I'm actually driving the car. I can kind of review it, see how it feels. If it's like OEM, probably not. But it should feel like OEM though, right?
Yeah, a little. No, the pressure plate is pretty strong.
Vic says OEM is fucked though.
But I can't say the F word because it's a family channel.
You just.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Get it, Carl. Oh, get it. Whoa.
Don't hit my shins now, bro.
I actually just wanted to talk about this real quick because my clutch was so bad. Vic, on a 1 to 10, how bad did my clutch feel?
10.
The disrespect, bro. Victor gave me that look of like a disappointed father. Literally, he's driving my car, he pushes the clutch in, he's like,
Who thinks I'm gonna stall my car?
You start checking into path implant.
You're gonna stall.
Yeah, I'm gonna stall my car.
I'm going up the top.
Oh, all right. He's going ghost. Oh God.
Vic with the wide angle. Wow, did my voice really just fucking crack at 30 years old? I know. Well,
You know you're getting old.
right? Dude, I turned 30, bro.
Damn.
I know. I'm not even gonna put this on. Damn, bro. The disrespect, damn. Hey, I'm still younger than JP. Oof. Oof. All right. Bye.
I just want to say one thing, all right? Two things, really.
After you pass me the loop?
Yo, first of all, you can't be saying stuff like that. I have never said a fruity thing in my life, all right?
Pause.
No, no pause.
So right now, Vic's sucking me up so he can get some fluid in here.
Carl, you trying to be a fluffer?
Oh, I'm so glad you don't know.
What is that?
A fluffer is like when the guy starts getting soft.
There's another girl that comes and starts giving him a blowjob or a hand job so he gets hard again.
At this point,
What the hell?
Even you're the fluffer.
Oh wait, that actually works?
Can you just think about the fact that some guys get soft having sex with a girl,
That,
right?
yeah, like what the fuck?
After this fluid,
You still want to do the brake fluid? Still want to do the brake fluid?
I love you, Vic. I love you, Vic.
Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done, I promise. All right, bye. Noir Gang, we're back again. We're back again. Ah, wifey, why are you calling me? Hello. Hey, babe.
What's up?
Say what's up to the vlog. Huh?
Hey. Oh, you're doing a video?
Yes, right now. All right, I love you. Bye. Bye. What's up, vlog? Ah, what? Ah! No more interruptions. What's going on, Noir Gang? We're back. Wait. All right, I was waiting to see if there are any more distractions that came up. Now, you know, obviously it's a couple of days later. I'm actually at I have to wait 500 miles to break in this clutch. I'm at 420, and that's not even a joke. I'm literally at 420. One thing I'm gonna say is, I wanted to talk about kind of like how it feels, you get me? Like now that I'm in here and then I've been driving this car around and it's, I guess, like broken in pretty good at this point. Because when I first felt the clutch, it was like, bro, I felt like it was a workout, man. Like if you guys have ever changed your clutch on your car, man, that pressure plate feel is like crazy. It was crazy stiff compared to OEM. But after like a little bit of driving, I don't know if I just got used to it or if it kind of eased up a little bit. But dude, this Z1 kit, man, let me tell you, I haven't been able to go full like ham yet. And it's so frustrating because I got a new clutch. I want to use it. I want to go do hood rat things with my friends, but I have to be patient. But until then, I won't be able to give you guys like a full review or anything like that. But I can tell you right now that it feels a lot better than the OEM clutch, because like the clutch pedal feels a lot better than OEM. Like, because with the slave delete, it just felt too soft. You got me, like, I don't know. Some of you guys have it. I think you might be on the same page as me. But now that I have the slave delete, well, meaning it's not deleted, it's just on the outside. With that mod and the Z1 full face kit, and I also got the mid-weight flywheel. I didn't get the lightweight one because when the time comes that I go boost, I just have to resurface this one and I can slap it back on. I kind of wanted to just have it already and not have to spend extra money for the same thing twice. For good and bad. So I want to wait till I break it in and beat on it and you guys can see. And I can tell you straight up, like, look, if this is a good buy, it's a good buy. But as for now, I'm really loving it. Like, now when I'm not in first gear, I'm not like sputtering. Like, my car used to make like that chattering noise when I was in first gear, just trying to, because I had to use to rev it up a lot, like to like 3K RPMs for it to move forward slowly. Oh, and with the mid-weight flywheel, oh my goodness. Boys, if you're gonna hear so much chatter, it's crazy. Like, I already had one guy telling me like, yo, is your car broken, bro? I was like, no. It's built like that. It's supposed to sound like that. Yo, hi.
Here's a mess.
Can I get a high five? Low five? Fist bump? Boom. Dang, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so that's it, guys. So I want to kind of just like, before I give a full-on review about this transmission, I like how I just left the door open like it ain't nothing. Because it ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. What it ain't? Babe, what it ain't?
Oh, nothing.
That's what I'm talking about. It ain't nothing. So, oh, yeah. That's why that was on one of the 5 things I hate about my Z's. That's about to kill somebody. So I'll give you guys a full-on review in time. I just don't want to give you some boofy crap, like, you know, just to make a video. We're gonna close out this video. What we doing?
With my butt.
What? If you guys like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. And yeah, what? We're gonna close it with your butt. Booty bump.